In this video, I'll show you how to convert a PNG file to an SVG vector file in Photopea. So as you can see, this is now a vector file. We have all of these different shapes and layers, which we can enlarge, and it will never be pixelated because it is a vector file. Here's how you can do that in Photopea. So open up a new project, then go to File in the top left-hand corner, click on Open and Place, and then find your PNG file. Click open and add it to the project. Once you've done that, you can go to image and we need to vectorize bitmap. If it's grayed out, you want to right click on the layer, then click rasterize, and then we can go back to image up here in the top left, then click vectorize bitmap. That will then show you the comparison images, and you're going to have some settings which you can tweak. These will depend on what your logo or image looks like, so you do want to increase or decrease this slider, see if it makes any changes, as well as change these as well. So if I change it to photo, that's obviously not the setting we want, so just choose the setting which looks good for your logo. Again, reduce noise. It is very slight changes, but they may make all the difference for your logo. Once you're happy with the final outcome, click OK, and what it will do is it will put your logo into a folder. So to move it, we can highlight it all, and then we can move this around. So everything is going to be its own separate shape. So as you can see, we've got the light bulb shape and so on, and we can go ahead and enlarge this to whatever dimensions we want. Now to export this as a vector, I'm just going to hide the background. We can then go to File, Export as, SVG, then we can change the size and we can go ahead and click Save. Now we've got our file here as an SVG vector format, and that is all you have to do.